So today I'm going to unbox this trolley, a little shopping trolley, which is so very comfortable and easy to carry. So you've got like shops around you and you don't have to drive down there because it's just across the road. But then you needed to buy like loads of things and you don't know how to carry it. I've enjoyed myself down there and you don't know how to carry it. So this goes down the staircase, up the staircase, and you can push it as if you're like pulling like a traveling bag that way. So I just cut it open and this is exactly what it looks like. I bought this from one of the shops down there. Don't want to show it because this is not an advert. This is unboxing and DIY. So I'm hoping it's easy to fix because I'm only just opening it for the first time. Okay, it's got a manual inside. There we go. I'm gonna move this aside. And here we have everything it needs for you to fix it. So I believe they're all in here. Let's put this down. So this is the shopping bag that this thing came with. So inside the shopping bag, I presume it's the one you put in there because that's what the picture looks like. So you insert this inside the trolley and then I don't know, maybe hook this over. Let's see how it goes. So I presume this is the rope to sort of hold the item, secure the item when you've got like a heavy load on it. And then this is one of the tires. I think this is the front tire that helps you roll it. This will be another clip, I presume, another clip to hold on whatever on this. So I'm going to go ahead and I like this because it's quite foldable. Like it's something you can fold away. After shopping and all that, you can fold it and put it inside the store. Tuck it away. So I quite like that. So this comes with the tools that I need to fix the tires, I think. So I'm going to open them and keep it on the floor. And look at the manual. The first thing on it is this. And then the second thing is the foot. So I'm meant to put so this is this is how the trolley will be with that bag on it. It's okay in size. It's not that big. You can drag it like this or carry it here while you do your shopping. So by the time you go for shopping, you hold it like this, I think. Or if you have a car, you can put it in your car. But I feel like for me, that goes to, I've got like a little shopping mall around me, and then obviously shopping, crossing the road and carrying this would be so ideal. That's why I bought it. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix the leg. So this is the front tire and this is the back tire. So the front tire, so guys, To fix this thing is not a joke at all. It's very difficult to be able to put in the knot, because where the knot goes in is very, like, it's very inside, as you can see, and it's clashing with one of the rails. So tricky to be able to um to fix in, especially using the Allen key. The Allen key was just rubbing against the trolley bar or the rail, so it's quite difficult to do. I was just like struggling, like you just need to do one at a time, and it was getting frustrating. Honestly, I was just like taking it in. I was like, I need this trolley, I need this trolley. I'm just gonna keep doing it and see where I get to. And finally I figured it out. It took me a while. It really took me a while. It was really annoying, but I got to it at the end of the day. So it needed like a stronger hand to use the handling key to sort of tighten it properly so that it stays strong and not wobbly. So I had waited for a stronger hand to come. Like, I did what I could do fixing it, but later on a stronger hand came and then helped me tighten it stronger and stronger. Because honestly, with my nails and the fact that that thing was frustrating me, it was just so difficult. But at the end of the day, I was able to fix it. So what you need to do is like put the tire inside and then put the knot. Then you need to twist the leg the way I was doing it, and then you then use the Allen key to tight it. But then again, holding the stuff is difficult. Like, you need to hold the tire and then also hold the Allen key and then twist the tire so that it's like scrolling inside. But then if you're not able to hold it like I did, as you can see, it was really frustrating. And at a point, I think I figured it out, and then the Allen key goes the other way around, and then the tire comes this other way around, so it's like the opposite direction for both of them. And that was how I was able to figure it out, and I'm so happy I did. Honestly, if not, I would have just left it and run away. And I know if I had left it, nobody would have done it, because that would frustrate my husband. And he's not very good at DIY. So I'm the only DIY queen in the house. Like, literally everything in the house, I do most of the DIYs. Because he's just like, listen, I'm not cut out for this. It's frustrating. He will just leave it and go. But I was able to figure it out. So all you need to do is just do the opposite direction. And then this is the tire that goes up the stairs and down the stairs without you having to drag it. It's like a wheel, like it's like a fidget spinner, isn't it? You remember that fidget spinner that we used to spin around those years? Yeah, so it's like very easy. It goes up the stairs, down the stairs. You don't need to struggle. And you know how you carry your traveling bag with four wheelers? That's exactly how this thing works. So when you're dragging it, just go with four-wheelers, and it's so easy and straightforward. And I'm so glad I got it. Sorry, my camera was not showing the actual place, like the whole thing on the floor, because I wasn't even paying attention. My mind was like, just get it done, just get this thing done, just get it done. And then yes, I got it done, and I'm so happy like I did. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I really hope you learned a lot from this video. If you do, please let me know. Yeah, thank you. To be quite honest, it wasn't easy fixing this thing. So this particular one is a different method as well, where you need to figure it out. So it has like a longer, I'm sure you saw the longer hook you need to put between. It's like a long rod, so you slide it in between the tire and the hook that was provided, and then you put the Allen key on top of it, and then the knot goes underneath. So you see where my hand is, this is exactly where I left where I was holding it. And then I had this Allen key and it has a washer. It has like a flat washer as well. So you need to put your hand there, hold the Allen key. I'm not sure what you call that. Is it flat spanner or something? And then you hold the flat spanner. But the flat spanner was not holding on because it was quite, I would say, fragile, and it's difficult. Like it's like very slim, and it hurt my hand. So I rather hold it with my hand. So I held it with my hand, and then I was using the Allen key to tighten it on top, so everything goes underneath, and it became a little bit sturdy. But it was, I'm not gonna lie, it was quite difficult to fix, but I just had to do it because I needed it. Let me know if you have any question with, anything, where I bought it or whatever it is that you want to know. I would answer you. The only way I'm not showing you where I bought this thing is I'm not advertising any company or anything. If they want me to do any advert for them, so they'd have to pay me, because I bought this, I paid to get this, so it's not free. So I'm not giving any this thing. But if you want it truly, I will tell you where I bought it. I will show you where I bought it and all that. Yeah, so that's it for me, you guys. The bag fit in properly. So the Velcro thing I was showing before, it was just to attach the bag into the trolley, which is so good and secure. It's like very tight and all that. And then that other rope is like, for example, if you have like a crate or something like a drink there, you needed to secure it, that rope I showed from the beginning was what you needed to like use and tighten it, like hold it so tight so that it doesn't fall off while you have it. And then yeah, at the bottom there was something I needed to hook. That black bit where it feels like my foot is there, you needed to clip it. That black thing, yeah, the black thing I'm raising up, you needed to clip it to the rail so that it like protect whatever you have in there, so that it doesn't collapse on its own. But yeah, this is it. It's so easy for me because I end up going to the shop across the road here and then carrying all these things with my hand. Like I carry 5 liter of water, and I buy 5 and 5, like 10 liter water, and it's so heavy and all that. But with this thing, it has really, really given me like the chance to even buy more things, like sliding the water inside this. I don't know, like this thing is actually very big though. It's very big. I remember the day I went like massive shopping, I had this, because like I said, the shops are just across the road. It's not a place where you need to take the car, because there's no parking, so it just yeah, just across the road. But like, see what I was talking about, you need to just clip it and it stays put there for you. Exactly. So you need to click it. What I was doing, click, that's it. It would then click inside and then stay secure and all that. So this thing now is the blue things are like, if you bought anything that has a bag, you need to use that to secure it. Like anything that you can use to secure it, to make sure that whatever you put in here doesn't fall out. That's exactly what they provided, and that's so good. And this thing here, you might be asking, is it strong enough? It is heavy though. It's iron. It's really strong, and I quite like it because it's handy. You can go down the stairs and all that, and you pull it. Very easy to carry, very easy to move around and all that, and quite like it. So yeah, I'm happy with it. Thank you for your time. Thank you. I appreciate it. It's not easy, but I did it at the end of the day. Just so you know, this manual is written in China, so it's not easy for me to have read it. So I did it out of my head. But thanks.